Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to remove an image background using Canva. Let's get started. Click on Create a new design and go to the Custom Size option here and select 1280 by 720 pixel and click on Create a new design. Now we have a blank template open on the Canva screen. Go on the left hand side and click on Uploads. So you can upload any image that you want to edit and remove the background. Let me upload an image for this video. Okay, so we have the image updated on the template now. Click on the image and go up here and click on Edit Photo. Now you can click on Background Remover option here. See, the background of this image is now removed. Now go to the top right hand side and click on Share and scroll down and click on Download. Select Transparent Background and download this image. In case if you want to update any other background to this image, please click on Add New Page here and then go to Elements and search for Backgrounds and click on View to preview all the background options available here. You can now select any background of your choice or upload your own background, whichever you prefer. Let me select a background image from the options available here. Okay, now you can upload the image that you just downloaded and click on the image to update it on this background. Increase the size of the image as per your requirement. Okay, so now you can see both the images here. One without a background and the other one with the new background that we just used. See, that was so easy. Now you can go on the top right hand side and click on Share and download this image. I hope you like this video. Please like and subscribe for more tutorials like these.